Morning, welcome to Jenvey Dynamics HQ. Well, we're at shows. A lot of people ask us where our products are made. So they're all made on our single site here in the UK, as you can tell from the weather. We're going to give you a quick tour. Follow me. So in here we have design offices. So we now have 4 seats of SolidWorks. So design team at work here. Using SolidWorks to create all the foundry patterns, all the tooling just allows us good versatility and allows us to keep all motorsport projects in-house as well. Next up, we're going to go through to the foundry at the far end of the factory. I think one of the biggest surprises many of our customers or prospective customers have is that we have our own on-site foundry. So we've always had a foundry since Jenvey Dynamics started. It just allows us to be very versatile, to deliver projects quickly, but also to give us a really good ability to control the quality. And it's part of our ethos in terms of engineering to win. So the guys are pouring today. There's obviously a lot of extraction to keep all the fumes away. We generally pour 2 to 3 times a week. The system we use is air set resin. So we create all our own patterns in-house, and we'll show you the machine in a minute. The big mixer here then mixes sand and resin, fills the molds. They're then broken out, put together, and then they pour them here as the final stage. Once the castings are completed and cut off, they go out to heat treatment. They come back in and then they're fettled and shot blast in this area. The shot blasting process is more shot peening, so we use high precision spherical stainless steel shot, which just closes up all the pores on the aluminium, as well as giving it a versatile finish. Closing up the pores means that it doesn't pick up fingerprints during the production process, but also once the part is in use. Let's go through to components. So here we have the components area. So at the far end, we are brazing stainless steel fuel rails. So we moved to stainless steel about 2 years ago, which just allows us to deliver quickly. So generally, special fuel rails we can now deliver within 8 days. Also in this area, we've got presses and projection welders for manufacturing our high precision levers that link all the throttle bodies together. And again, because it's all done in-house, we can be fairly versatile. We can do customer-specific levers where required, but we've also got a good range of off-the-shelf levers. We also here have all our air horns waiting to be manufactured into completed air horns and passed over to the stores. Next up, we have the machine shop. So we have all products waiting to be machined here. So they've all come through from the foundry and essentially are ready to go straight on the machine. So in the machine shop, we have one CNC lathe with a bar feed. So this does all the small components as well as doing all the individual throttle body rebore. So we bore the orders specifically per customer. And if you follow me, we'll look down the far end. So in the machine shop, we have 3 American-made Hatties, XYZ and Dugard machines. So the 2 big machines at this end machine all the throttle bodies. If you want to take a look inside, we do all our own jigging. It's all designed in-house, which just allows us versatility in terms of new products. So here you can see we're machining 4 TF bodies all in one go. So operation 1 and then op 2 will go on the end once setting is complete. And here we have CNC 17 just finishing off customer products. So we're now entering the R&D factory. So we have a CNC machine, CNC 12 we call it. This is just dedicated to machining patterns for the foundry. So the guys in design, they do the basic design, then they design the patterns, machine them here, and then send them through to the foundry. We've got a standard tool room with a couple of lathes and a bridge port. This is where we, I guess, keep engines and are able to mock up systems. This is a Jaguar straight six with a Lucas kit from S&G Barrett on. In the back of here, we have our 3D printing and durability area. So we 3D print a lot of jigs and fixtures, as well as for rapid prototyping for package protection for customers. And then we also have durability rigs that use our electronic actuators to run sometimes as much as 1 million cycles. The final part of the R&D area is just set aside for the Jenvey Gun TS6. So this car develops a lot of our products. It's currently running our new profile system, and that's due to go to dyno in 2 days. Hence why it's in one piece, which is pretty rare. Finally, we're going to move into assembly and stores. So all this side is assembly. So these are all products waiting to be assembled. So nearly all of them are castings, pre-assembly. And then in the assembly area, we have 3 assembly areas. There's 2 guys in there at the moment. They have all the components they need on the rollers. All products to be assembled come in with a works order with bill of materials to make sure everything's accurate and correct. Linked to this engineered to win, so you should always have a consistent and well performing product. And then next to here we have the stores, so we try and keep a huge amount of stock within the stores department, so manifolds, linkages, other bits and pieces. If we look in here today, we can see a Porsche Heritage kit waiting to go out, so it's all boxed and ready to go. And then on the other side, we also complete the kit build in this area. So here, funnily enough, another Porsche kit just waiting to go out. That will go out later today. Also in the stores area, we have a Jaguar V12. And if you come over here to the QC bench, these are all leaving assembly, being QC'd before then being built onto that engine as a test to check it all fits correctly before being shipped out. And then finally, we have the sales area. So we have Ollie in sales, who you'll get on the end of the phone, and then also the products, including our Jaguar straight six complete kit. So that's Jenvey Dynamics. I hope you've enjoyed the tour, and yeah, please go to our website jenvey.co.uk. Thank you.